Alright guys, today I'm doing a quick review of these Jelly Belch. So, these were actually a really unique flavor. And I was at the store, I was like, oh, this is actually kind of neat. So, these are boba milk tea. If you actually look at it though, the ingredients obviously, take a look there. They're not the healthiest or anything, but they are dairy-free and gluten-free, so... But, if you guys have ever had like bubble tea and stuff, this is actually kind of neat, so... Kind of curious if it actually tastes like that. So we're gonna open this up. Okay, so I open the side here. It does smell like bubble tea in a way. So, okay, here are the flavors of all of them. So we're gonna try them out. Here's the pink one, strawberry. So it does have the strawberry aroma to it, and a tea taste. Okay, so let's try the green one here. And that's matcha. The matcha one's not that good. It tastes very generic. Just very sweet and like maybe a slight tea taste to it. So let's do the purple one here, which is taro. Doesn't taste like taro at all. Tastes more like tea with the sugar. Yeah, just more like a tea. Very similar to the matcha one. Let's try the brown one here. This is Thai. This one has a strong tea taste to it. And the mango. The mango one's the best. So it does have that sort of mango taste and that tea taste. They're not that great, but yeah, alright. Stay tuned more. They're kind of unique flavors. Stay tuned more videos, guys.